Welcome back. So the following figure gives the XT plot of a particle executing one-dimensional simple harmonic motion. Give the signs of position, velocity and acceleration variables of the particle at t equals to 0.3 second, 1.2 second and minus 1.2 second. At 0.3 second, the signs of position, velocity and acceleration are negative, negative and positive. At t equals 1.2 second, signs of position is positive, sign of velocity is positive, and sign of acceleration is negative. At t equals to minus 1.2 second, sign of position is negative, velocity is positive, and acceleration is positive. So here one thing has been done. The displacement of the particle as a function of time can be thought of as minus a sine pi t, where a is some positive real number equal to the amplitude of oscillation.